In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DirectX errors on Windows 11. So follow these steps one by one. So first one, the most common reason for DirectX errors is an outdated or corrupted GPU driver. So here's what you need to do. So let's go right click on Start menu and go to Device Manager. In Device Manager, just a moment that this thing is open up. Okay, like so. I will put a little one like that. Now what we need to find is find display adapter. So right here we have display adapters and click the small arrow to expand it. So this one here. You will see your graphics card listed there. So what you need to do now is right click on your graphic card. So I will choose that one NVIDIA. Choose update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. Windows will now check online and install the latest available driver. If a new driver is installed, restart your PC before moving on. Now, the second step, Windows updates often include important system files and DirectX files. So to do this, open Settings, like so. Right click on the Windows icon and go to the Settings. Now go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates. So right here, check for updates. On the right top side, you will have that button. If updates are available, download it and install it. All of them, don't skip optional updates if they are related to drivers or system components. Once everything finished, installing, restart your computer, and even if Windows doesn't ask you to. Now, the third thing is that we can install Visual C++. So here's what you need to do. So open up your browser, go to the official Microsoft website. So I will press like that, official look, and search for Visual C++ redistributable downloads. So we can do like so, search it, and here you will find it. You can now download both versions, x86 and x64. After downloading, run each installer one by one, complete the setup. Now you just need to complete this setup and restart your PC one last time. And this will be it. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.